Hey there, Dr. Lampert. My name is Lucas and I work with Purple Room, which is a digital marketing agency. And I happen to be making some research in the area and I came across your website and your business. So I figured I would shoot this short video on the 3 tips that you can use to start beating your competition online, which is basically the 3 main things that you need in order to rank on the top of Google results. All right. These are content, citations, and backlinks. And I don't want to waste your time here or mine either, so I'm gonna keep it nice and short. But at the end of this video, if you like what you hear, please get in touch with me and we can talk more about it. All right. So to start, I would start with content. As you see, this is your Florida Foot and Ankle Associates page. I can see here a little bit about you, some content right here. Okay. So content on a website is basically all the text, all the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind the pictures. Okay. So the ideal for you would be to have your own website with your own unique content. And also what Google likes to see is keyword oriented and rich authoritative content. Why? Because that way when somebody looks for a service, like let's say Foot Doctor Miami or Podiatrist Services Miami or Podiatrist Miami, something like that, Google would be able to find your website, because that way when you have this kind of content, they know what kind of business you do and what kind of services you offer. So they can find your website and show it on the top of the results. All right. So that said, that is the content. And as you see here, for example, somebody looks at Podiatrist Miami, you have this, all right, that we're going to talk about it right now. And you have the results, organic results here, which is where most of the people go for. So having the right content allows you to be ranking all the way up here, okay, which is what we want. Then second thing are citations. Citations is what it makes you be on top of the Google map pack right here. When you search for a service, usually the first thing you see is this little map with some businesses over here and then the organic results. Sometimes you see ads as well, but the ads are a little hit or miss, because when you have ad blocks, the ads won't even show and they're very popular nowadays, so most of the people won't even click on the ads. But again, citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number, the same way that you listed with Google, listed on different directories all throughout the web. And by that I mean Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, all that stuff, all those kind of directories. All right. So you want to have more citations than your competition. Let's say they have 200. You always want 50 to 100 more at least. So that way, when they try to catch up with you, you can start building more, and that is impossible for them to ever outrank you again. Okay, so that way you keep your position at the very top. Citations as well help you rank over here, but for this, the main things are the content, so Google knows where to find what keywords to find you for. Okay, and also the backlinks, which is the third thing I want to talk about. A backlink is basically your website address in mentioning another website, that when somebody goes click on it, it takes you back to your website. All right, takes them back to your website. Sorry. So, for example, here you don't have the website to do that, but like for example with this one, and we can get it, okay, and go to Ahrefs, which is a tool that we can see really good over here. Okay. What you're ranking for. This is a tool that gives me a little bit of the statistics of your website. Okay, so I can see that you have one referring domain with one backlink that ranks you for 22 organic keywords, that brings you 6 people in traffic. That is for your website and the Florida Foot and Ankle Associates. Okay, so if we go here, it shows us the words you're ranking for. It's basically your name and a couple more things that are not even services that you're offering. All right. If you go here and you go on your competition, Podiatrist Miami competition, the first one, Edward Bustamante, you click on his website, which is this one right here. You see some pictures, some content, nothing crazy. But once you put the website Miami Podiatry into Ahrefs, you can see right here that this guy is having hold up. is having 24 referring domains that gives him 61 backlinks. So backlinks, not all are created equal. So a backlink, your website mentioned in another doctor's website or a medical website, something on the same niche is always way more powerful on Google's eyes than if your website is mentioned on a random forum or blog that talks about other topics. Okay. But as you see here, this guy has 61 backlinks. He's ranking for 165 keywords that is bringing him 310 people through his website every single month. Okay, these are 310 potential patients. If you go here, you can see that he's ranking for Podiatrist Miami, Foot Doctor Miami, Miami Podiatrist, all this right here. Okay, all the services that he's ranking for is things that people are searching all the time. 700 times a month, 150 times a month, 100 times a month, you know? And then when you go here, you can see that he's always on the top position. That's why he's getting so much traffic through his website that is bringing him pretty much all the business. The statistics say that most of the people click within the three first results on the organic Google when they look for a service, and in that percentage, most of the people click on the first. But then when somebody is on the first result on the MacPack and on the first result on the organic as well, they are getting by far the most amount of traffic because people trust the most when Google is showing both at the same time. All right, so in order to get there, all you need is to build a website with the appropriate content, with the keywords, okay, and then build a healthy and strong backlink profile and a good number of citations to be able to be here on the backpack. So that's it. If you like what you just hear, please get back to me and we can talk more about it. No, just take this information that I just give you for free and implement it yourself. And the only thing I ask for is if you can give me a review or a comment on the video, that would be much appreciated. Thank you.